Steady! Steady! Go, go, go!
What's the matter, Car?
Aren't you forgetting something, Henry?
Oh, my seatbelt, of course. Whee! Sorry, Car.
Now grab hold of the steering wheel and I'll take it from here. Hold on tight, Henry.
Hello, blue car. Hello, green car.
Hello, Henry!
Hello, tow truck.
Hello, Henry!
Hello, pit stop.
Time for a new set of wheels. And a quick fuel top-up.
Go, go, go!
We've made it, Henry. We're in first place. And look, the finish line is just ahead.
Just hold it steady, Car. We're almost there.
We're going to win the race. Absolutely nothing can stop us now.
Uh-oh.
Oh, pickle my pistons. I'm so sorry, Henry. I've broken down again.
Don't worry, Car. We didn't win, but we had lots of fun.
I know, Henry, but I've still never finished a race. I guess I'm just not cut out for the racing life.
Hold on, Car. I have an idea.
Huh? What? What's happening?
You're finishing the race. That's what's happening. Come on, tow truck. Let's go. You did it, Car. You finished the race.
Oh, thank you, tow truck, and thank you, Henry.
Look, there's something green. Aw, it's just a green fly.
Hello, Henry.
Look, there's something with lots and lots and lots of legs. Aw, that's just a millipede.
Hello, Henry.
Wait, I can hear something munching leaves. Aw, it's just a snail.
Hello, Henry.
We're not having much luck playing hide and seek today, are we, Henry? And to make matters worse, it looks like it's gonna rain.
Don't worry, Caterpillar. A little bit of rain never hurts anyone. Unless you're the size of an insect. Run away!
Mommy!
Caterpillar, where have you been all day?
We've been playing hide and seek, and we're looking for...
Your brother?
That's right. But we can't find him anywhere, Butterfly.
You're closer than you think, Henry. In fact, he's right above your head.
Wow! He's turned into a chrysalis, Henry. No wonder we couldn't find him.
What's a chrysalis?
Well, Henry, a chrysalis is the final stage before a caterpillar turns into a grown-up. They eat and eat and eat, go asleep, and a few days later, they emerge a beautiful butterfly.
Wow, that's amazing! Caterpillar, that means you're going to be a butterfly soon.
I know, Henry. I can't wait.
Well, you best get to bed, because the sooner you fall asleep, the sooner you'll be a butterfly.
Yay!
Today Henry met a caterpillar.
He laughed along with everyone.